Hey you, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I will help you how to connect your XM account to MetaTrader 5. And for this we need two simple things. So first of all, what you need to do is click on your account, and then from here we click on manage, and then we go to account information, and then from here you need your server code and you need your MT-ID. So from here it's important to go to MetaTrader 5, and right here we go to file, open an account, and then from here what you need to do is go back to the XM and select the server code right here, copy it to clipboard, go to MetaTrader 5, fill it in right here, and then find your company. And then it's standing right here, the trading point of financial instruments XM trading. So now we do next. And then from now you need your MT-ID. So we go back to XM. And then from here we need this ID right here. So we click on this, go back to MetaTrader, and then from here we do Ctrl-V. And then from now you need to fill in your password. So let's do that. And then right now we just added our XM trading account in MT5. So hopefully guys, this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.